In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix texture not loading in FiveM with invisible roads, invisible buildings, and more. So basically, the first thing that you want to do is to head over to the main menu of your GTA 5 settings, and from here, navigate through the settings category. Inside, you then want to stumble or look for the graphic setting, and basically what we're looking for inside is the extended texture quality or the extended texture shader. You want to make sure to turn that specific option up. In my case, that texture or that specific setting is disabled, but once again, you want to make sure that it's turned all the way up so it will be able to load properly the roads and other textures. In here, you also want to try reducing your textures into something like normal. Same with the shadows, shader, reflection, and all of this in the same category, making sure that we have enough resources to load specific texture into our game. And from there, after basically enabling those two options, you will be able to fix the problem. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.